Next example we'll see for if else if whether the given number is even number or odd number. The given number is even number or odd number. Will accept the input dynamically. Even or odd. I have given the program name even or odd. Now here first I'll be accepting number. For that I'll be writing scanner class. I'm going to be declare the number variable. So we'll asking to enter number. So that is going to be stored into the variable num. As that is the integer, we are going to be use sc.nextInt for accepting that number, and we are going to be stored in it. And now here, if we want to know the given number is even number or odd number, first we need to divide the number with 2, and if we are getting the remainder as 0, then that number is even number. After dividing a number with 2, if you are getting the remainder 0, then that number is even number. So for taking the remainder after division, we need to consider modulo division operator. For that I am writing if condition number modulo division 2 equal to 0. It is going to be print even number or else odd number. So first I am displaying the number. Concatenation is an even number. So number is an odd number. So just will execute in the two cases. So number 6 I'm given. 6 is an even number. So after dividing the number 6 with 2, we are getting the remainder as 0. So because of that, we are getting it as even number. So again, I'll run and I'll give the different output, different input, where I'm going to be expect odd number. So we have a number that is 9. After division with 2, we are going to be get the remainder as 1. So because of that, it is going to be displayed as odd number. Because of that, we are going to be get the odd number. And now we'll see the simple example for if else if. Just we are going to be choose the day number. Based on the day number, so what was the day? Based on the day number, what was the day? So just I want to print that. A very simple example. We'll see that. That is if else if demo, for example, anything. scanner class I'm writing first. So int day number. We're asking the user to enter the day number. So this content is our choice. This content is our choice because what we are expecting as the content in the console, we are going to be display here. That is for our understanding purpose. So I'm asking here, enter the day number of week. So day number, that is an integer. Because of that, we are going to be display next int. So if day number equal to 1, so single statement I'm going to be write. I don't want to write that in the blocks. We can able to write without representing in a block, that is in open and close parentheses. We no need to represent if I'm writing a single statement. More than one statement if I'm writing, then definitely we need to write in the single quotation, open and close braces. Monday, Tuesday, three, if the 3 is Wednesday, we want to get here. So here Thursday, if the day number is 5, Friday, day number is 6, I would like to display it as Saturday. Day number is 7. Sunday. So this many number of else statements I have written. Then hereafter I don't want to use any conditions. So in that particular case, by default, I can able to write one else. So and I can able to display here as invalid day number. Kindly enter valid day number in a week. Just I want to display some message. So I'm going to be displayed. Now I'll execute this. So 6. If I've entered 6 here, Saturday we are getting. If I've entered 6 here, we are getting Saturday. Okay, fine. If I'm giving 4, we'll be getting Thursday. If suppose if I entered 8, invalid day number, kindly enter valid day number in a week. So apart with that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any number, if we are entering also, we need to get the same output. See, if I'm giving the input as 10, we'll be getting invalid day number, kindly enter valid day number in a week. Apart with these values, if I'm giving 0 also, we'll be getting same thing. So this is an example of if else if. Now the same concept I can able to implement with the help of switch case. Same concept I'll implement with the help of switch case. So I'll give the name as switch demo. Same, accepting the in day number. Scanner class we are writing here. So this object what we have written or what we are writing for this scanner class SC, that need not to be same as SC. So we can change as per our require, as per our interest, we can give any other name as well. That's not a problem. Now, new scanner. So now here I would like to give enter day number of your choice in a week. So I have changed the content out here. So that is up to our wish. So what we want to get in the output command prompt, we can able to take that. So day number, I'll be accepting sc.next int. Next switch day number. Switch day number. Case 1. So here we are going to be display Monday. Break. Case 2. Tuesday. Case 3. Wednesday. So here I am writing break. Case 4. Thursday. Case 5. Friday. Case 6. Saturday. So if it is the case 7, sorry, Sunday, and here I'll be writing break. So we have discussed in the last session what is the purpose of using break. So wherever we'll find the break, it is going to be make the control to come out from the particular block and to execute the statements what we have outside of the block. To execute the statements what we have in the outside of the block. Just it is going to be terminate the flow and it will makes the control to execute the statements what we have outside of the block. And here the default statement I'll be providing same invalid day number. Please enter valid day number in a week. Valid day number in a week. This one statement I'll write. Outside of switch statement. Yeah. The same thing we are going to be get executed here. As the previous example, 4 if I enter Thursday, and after completion of that statement, when it will finds a break, it will makes the control to come out from the particular block, and it is going to be execute the statements what we have outside of the that is switch block, outside of the switch block. And now if I have executed now this one more time, I entered 0 valid day number. Please enter valid day number in a week, and it makes the control to come out from the particular block. So like this, it is going to be get execute. So in the same example, if I'm not giving the break statement, I'll make the break statement as comment. I'll make the break statement as comment. All break statements I'll make as comment. Now, if I'm executing, suppose the input if I'm giving as true, so pause the record. So in this example, what we have written here is related to whether the day number is a weekday or weekend. So as I didn't mention any cases here, as I didn't mention any cases or here, or sorry, as I didn't mention any statements for these case labels, by default, what we have for the next one, it is going to be get executed. It is going to be get with the next one what we have. So again here for the case 5, I have written some statement and I have written the break statement as well. Before the cases what we have here, before the cases what we have, that is for 5, all those things will be getting in terms of, I mean to say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever will be the user input. So we'll be getting the value what we have at last, that is it is weekday. If any statement is there in that particular case labels, it is going to be get executed and it will make terminate if it is a break statement available. So I think this concept is clear. I think this concept is clear with this what the input we are providing for it is weekday and 7 it is a weekend. If I'm giving 8 or 9, it is a weekend. Now, so we'll see the example of nested if. Just an example of nested if, writing one if statement within another if statement. I'll be taking here one number, whether that number is positive number or negative number. If it is a positive number, whether it is equal to 0 or not, that is my intention. Scanner SC is new scanner. Enter a number. So first we have to declare this variable and I'll take that number is sc.nextInt. We are going to be read the help of this. And next, if I am checking like if condition is number is greater than or equal to 0, first we want to print it as given number is positive number is positive number, that is n is positive number, or else is negative number. So this is similar to if else. This is similar to if else. Now here we are writing one more statement. We are writing one more if condition. If number is equal to 0, it is going to be print number is equals to 0. Number is equals to, or else when we are writing single statement, we may represent that within open and close parentheses or not, that is up to our wish. More than one statement to be executed, in a sense, definitely we need to enclose that in open and close parentheses. Now here number is not equal to 0. enter a number 5. 5 is positive number and 5 is not equal to 0. If I am entered 0 here, if I am entered 0 here, 0 is a positive number and 0 is equal to 0 as well. So now if I am giving minus 6, which is negative number, it is going to be displayed as negative number. So this is an example of nested if. In the next session, we will see the looping statement concepts and example related to the looping statements. Any